Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, talk about a real summer night. It's not often this late at night you still have temperatures that are in the low 80s, partly cloudy skies. Take a look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. It's very easy to make downpours and thunderstorms when you have two ingredients in the atmosphere, high heat and high humidity. And boy, nearby Connecticut really getting hit hard this evening with some pretty big thunderstorms. You see one area of light to moderate rain, southeastern Connecticut. This is getting ready to move towards Westerly, Richmond, Hope Valley, and the southern part of the state. But we widen out the view, and what was severe thunderstorms a little while ago, still some heavy downpours across Connecticut. Our lightning tracker turned down with some cloud to ground lightning strikes, but seeing signs of this weakening, but still some pretty heavy rain, and this will continue out in nearby Connecticut the next couple of hours. What's left of this complex arrives here during the overnight as some weakened showers, so we'll keep some scattered showers in the forecast. But that high humidity fueling some of these downpours, getting real close into the central Connecticut area. Middletown, Connecticut, this little bullseye of red. The Doppler radar can estimate how much rain has fallen in some of these thunderstorms, and look at these amounts. And in some cases, 5 inches of rain in 90 minutes. I mean, just a deluge, a lot of thunder, some damaging wind gusts, and some flash flooding. So this whole little corridor right in here between 2 and 5 inches of rain, and on either side of it, not much at all. And that's the testament to localized precipitation during the summertime season. It tends to be very scattered, and it's not always widespread. Same situation coming up for tomorrow, kind of hit and miss thunder during the afternoon. Temperatures still in the upper 70s to low 80s, 80 in Providence. Throw in the humidity and it feels a little warmer. In Providence now, hazy skies and muggy. The actual temperature is at 80, but with the humidity it feels like 85. So even at night there's still a heat index, the feel-like temperature running in the mid-80s. Relative humidity 81%, so high humidity and light breezes. That'll promote a little bit of low cloudiness and fog during the overnight and very early tomorrow morning. Take a look at pictures down in Newport. Visibility for now is pretty good, but I do expect some reduced numbers, some reduced visibility overnight, and some low clouds and fog. All right, high pressure Bermuda high settled just off the Carolina coastline. The wind circulation around it is such that it's acting like a heat pump. It's drawing in not only hot temperatures across the southeast, but very tropical air coming up from the Bahamas and the Gulf of Mexico. So these high dew points, this moisture-rich atmosphere is firmly in place across the eastern half of the country, and it's helping to make the temperatures feel hot. That's the heat index, and is one reason why we have the heat advisory for tomorrow. So speaking of the heat index, let's take a look at those numbers overnight tonight through tomorrow. Starting off at 11 o'clock tonight in the upper 70s. Now tomorrow morning the heat index early part of the day isn't really a factor. Obviously it's about 77, but once the hazy sunshine gets to work, the actual air temperature goes up, the high humidity is in place, and once again we're looking at heat index temperatures that are going to be ranging in the low 100s across interior sections, and this is where the heat advisory has been reissued for Friday. It's that feel-like temperature that is very significant tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow morning, starting off at 85 degrees, clouds and fog early, burning off to hazy sunshine. And then during the afternoon, temperatures roughly between 90 and 95. Hazy sunshine and clouds. Watch for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Some could produce the heavy downpours because there's so much moisture floating in the air. Beach forecast, moderate rip current risk, fog and hazy sun, chance of a quick shower, air temperature 82, water temp coming in at 73. The heat continues Saturday and Sunday. Both days are not necessarily washouts. I mean, a better part of Saturday, it's just actually hot with a little bit of sunshine, an isolated thunderstorm. Same situation coming up on Sunday, and then a little cooler on Monday with a temperature around 85 and nights that are well into the 70s. So while you see thunderbolts there, doesn't necessarily mean that it's all day rain here. In fact, you don't get to 90 unless you have some sunshine, and all three of those days will feature hazy sun.
Going golfing tomorrow?
No.
Maybe a little too warm. All right.